back to our channel. For those who haven't met us before, my name is Maria.
And I'm Robin.
And we have a guest today.
And my name is Maxine, and I have also a YouTube channel, and it's called Cheeky Maxine.
Yes, please like and subscribe, Cheeky Maxine.
She's smart.
Smart, yes. Anyway, what we will do in this video, we are going to share with you our experiences in Hawaii.
Island
when we went there.
paradise.
Yes, that's right. And we have a few suggestions for you when you go there.
It is spectacular.
Yes, it's very relaxing. So it was a good holiday.
Yeah.
Alright, so come and join us as we share that with you.
Mahalo.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.
Yes, that's us. That was in December when we went to Oahu. That was Kuyo Beach.
Sunny blue sky.
Yes, and this is the Royal Hawaiian Center.
It's Christmas season, so the place is decorated and very festive with lots of entertainment, street baskets, and Christmas songs, the ukulele players, giving lessons, entertainment, and even concert.
Yeah, it's really festive at that time. Where we stayed, it's in a condominium at Seaside Avenue, which is close to the beach, close to the shops and restaurants. How did we go around? We did a lot of walking, but it's leisure walking.
Mostly use the trolleys. It's fun to ride. A lot of destinations on different lines.
And that's the bus that they use there too. And for a couple of times we used a tour bus. So what did we do? From waterfalls, beaches and waves, to nightlife, craft eats and shopping, there's no shortage of things to do in Oahu.
Go whale watching, skydiving, swimming with the turtles.
Not that we did those.
We do a lot of sports activities.
Yes. I guess we were not able to do all that we want.
But we were able to relax and just do what we feel like doing.
That's correct. This is the Circle Island tour.
It's an all-day circling the island, going to different sites, attraction and activities in Oahu.
So this is the start of it. It starts in Waikiki, and then it goes to this Kahala Estate, and
celebrities and
that's right. We saw you know, the vacation homes of some of the celebrities. This is the Halona blowhole. Yeah, they're waiting for it, but it didn't happen at that time. But you know, it's just beside the Eternity Beach.
Remember the movie From Here to Eternity?
Yes, apparently that was you know, taken from there. And then continuing along, this is the Sandy Beach, and this is the place, the Makapu'u Point Lighthouse hiking trail. Apparently that's an easy hiking trail, and you know, once you finish that, you get to see this view.
There you go, that's the Rabbit Island.
Rabbit Island, because there were rabbits, well, used to have rabbits in that island. If you look at the cliff on the left side, you can see very faintly the lighthouse, and this is ex-President Obama's house under construction. Yeah, so apparently there were 4 units in there. This is the continuation of the Sandy Beach, which is 5 miles long. So yeah, apparently the color is very nice when it's very sunny. This is the Dole Plantation. We bought a lot of goodies from there.
Fruit, lollies, chocolate, cookies.
And this is the macadamia nut outlet.
We had a lot of samples, yet we still buy more.
Yeah, we bought a lot. This is driving along Haleiwa town.
The surfing capital of the world.
Yes, and yeah, you can see, you know, those kids having fun in the water activities there. And yes, this is the town. You know, there are some quaint shops there. And look at the waves, you know, see that far away, the rolling waves. And then we had lunch at Luau Ranch.
It's a long queue.
Yeah, it's a long queue. It's very busy. Oh, look at that Chinaman's hut there. You know, Chinaman's Hut Island is what they call it. This is the Byodo-in temple. It's a replica of another temple in Japan. Nice and serene there. And that's Romy doing around the pistol. This is the Pali Lookout, looking out the eastern side of Oahu.
Nice view from the top. When in Hawaii, you have to visit Pearl Harbor, which is a national historical landmark. So this includes a short boat ride to the USS Arizona Memorial, constructed above the sunken battleship.
That's
Very somber experience to be in this place. Moving experience as well.
The shrine room contains all the names of all those who lost their lives at that time.
Then a short ride to the USS Battleship Missouri, a living museum offering a glimpse into the life of the sailors on this ship.
This is also the site where the ceremony ending the World War II happened at that time in 1945.
We did a tour of the National Cemetery at Punch Bowl, visited the Iolani Palace grounds.
What else did we do? We watched the sunrise in the balcony. We also watched the sunrise at the beach while having coffee. I think you're having coffee there. Yes, that's right. And we had a lot of walking and going to the beach and watching the sunset as well, having Mai Tai. You know, while watching the sunset, it's bliss. It's really, really nice. So relaxing. We have strolls at night, so this is before dinner or after dinner. And of course, we did shopping too. So we went to Ala Moana Center. It's an open air shopping center. It's huge. We didn't even finish and look at all the shops there. We went to Waikele Premium Outlets. So I guess this is my department because Romy doesn't like shopping. So he just sits in the corner and just wait for us.
She shopped till she dropped.
Yes, so he works and I shop. So that's our partnership. Okay, and of course there are lots of interesting shops in Waikiki as well.
You can't visit Hawaii and not go to a Luau. It's a lively celebration that includes performances from Hawaiian traditional culture.
That's nice, hula dancing.
And the fire dance. Look at those men.
They're very skillful in that. They're very good at what they do.
They're playing with fire.
Funny.
Oh, here we go. The feast. Look at that pork. And the poi.
Poi? Yeah. And the most important for me, of course, is my birthday.
How can we forget?
Yeah. We went to this food truck, you know. The
Shrimp.
Yeah, the shrimp or prawn, we call it in Australia. And yes, these udon noodles from Marukame.
We miss Japan.
And yeah, but that's very nice too.
Really?
Tontan.
Now CPK, look at the pizza.
Aloha food. So what's special in there in the middle? Is it
Coffee.
Yeah, so
And the Lokomoko.
the crazy burger, but there's no bun. So blackened, or I think it's grilled mahi mahi. This is the family celebrating my daughter's birthday as well on the 26th of December. We had a yard house. Yes, that's the last night when we went there. It's very cheap.
Food.
Jollibee.
Jollibee time.
Coffee wise, this is Honolulu coffee, right? And this one is the Island Vintage Coffee. It's quite nice here too. So one is Kona Purveyors. But what I like in here are their baked pastries.
Filipino sweets.
Hello, Dole pineapple whip. That's from the Dole plantation. This is my cheesecake. You know, when I had my birthday. And this is my favorite too. It's the acai bowl. This is a bonfire. We had the Mai Tai.
Waiting for the sunset.
These are our suggestions based on our experience. So when do you go? Go during off seasons, during spring, during autumn. You may find better rates on airfare and accommodation, but if you are a surfer, between September and February will be best. Various options for accommodation in Oahu depending on your budget and your preference. So when booking, especially hotels, ensure to check pricing as they charge hefty taxes and nightly resort fees. Transportation, best option is to hire a car to explore the island on your own timing and pace. That is, of course, if you are used to driving on the right side of the road, because we're from Sydney and we drive on the left side of the road. For easy to moderate hiking, we pass by Makapu Lighthouse Trail. It's just 2 miles. Or 3.2 kilometers round trip, and the Diamond Head, but note there's a fee and reservation required for that.
Spend at least a full day at the North Shore. Enjoy the beaches, eat at Giovanni's shrimp truck, swim with the turtles at the Turtle Beach, explore Haleiwa Surf Town, and watch the sunset at Sunset Beach.
If booking a Circle Island tour, look closely at the itinerary as there are variations. For example, swim with the turtles, or Waimea Valley, or Kualua Ranch, or something else may be included. When we go back, a few of the others that we'd like to do: Lanikai Beach, Hanauma Bay, Kaneohe Sandbar, Giovanni's Shrimp Truck, Leonard's Bakery. We want to go to the original one, not just the food truck. Explore the quaint shops at Haleiwa, so we just drove by. Well, try other restaurants. We saw lots of good restaurants there. And you know, if we can, we want to explore other Hawaiian islands, so apart from Oahu. So that's the summary of our holiday in Oahu. We have a couple more videos that we're working on, so please watch out for it when it comes.
Thanks for watching. Please, if you have any comments or questions, please comment on the comment section below. And if you're new to our channel, please like, share, and subscribe, and click notification bell so you get notified of our next or incoming videos.
Thank you.
Aloha.
And
Mahalo.
Mahalo. Thank you very much. Bye for now.
Bye.